Join us on an exciting adventure as we explore the world of carrots, from their humble beginnings as seeds to their transformation into a beloved vegetable found on dinner plates around the globe. The Remarkable Journey of Carrots is a documentary that delves deep into the history, cultivation, and culinary significance of this vibrant and versatile vegetable. Unearth the origins of the carrot and its wild ancestor, exploring its evolution from a bitter root to the sweet and colorful vegetable we know today. Meet farmers, botanists, and seed enthusiasts who are passionate about preserving heirloom carrot varieties. Take a trip to carrot farms where you'll discover the secrets of successful carrot cultivation and the challenges faced by modern farmers. Explore the importance of biodiversity in carrot crops and the role of genetic preservation in maintaining a rich carrot heritage. Follow the journey of carrots from the field to the kitchen as we explore various culinary traditions and delicious recipes from around the world. Meet chefs and food enthusiasts who share their love for carrots and demonstrate innovative ways to prepare and enjoy this nutritious vegetable. Dive into the nutritional benefits of carrots and their role in promoting good health. Hear from nutrition experts and doctors who discuss the importance of including carrots in a balanced diet. Explore cutting-edge research and innovations related to carrots, from sustainable farming practices to carrot-based products. Discover how carrots are being used in unexpected ways, such as in the development of sustainable packaging materials and eco-friendly initiatives. This documentary will take you on a colorful and informative journey that celebrates the incredible world of carrots. Join us as we uncover the history, science, and delicious possibilities of this versatile vegetable. Don't miss the remarkable journey of carrots, from seed to table, coming soon to your YouTube screen.